Hi guys, one of the things I thought about before I did this trip was how I was going to make the videos and be able to upload them regularly. It is quite difficult when you're on the road, and I've noticed this morning I've had a couple of questions. One about what editing software do I use, and one how do I connect to the internet. So I thought I'd answer that. Now I'll basically just talk about my whole video process. What I actually do is I record 99% of my videos on this GoPro. It's GoPro Hero 4 Silver. I've done a video on it before. I use this Editage mic. I always have it under a layer of clothing. Sometimes I make some mistakes, and if it's under a layer of a coat, for example, you get interference, and sometimes if my phone's too close you get interference as well. But generally I'm really happy with how well it records both sound and video. The next thing is for editing software. I actually do the editing all on my phone. I have Sony Z1, which is a couple of models old at least, but a brilliant Android phone. I've used iPhones in the past. I like this because it's got a bigger screen, and I don't want to spend a fortune on the iPhone 6 Plus. So on the GoPro I turn the Wi-Fi on, and on my phone I've got a GoPro app which is free of charge, and I'm able to transfer wirelessly. It creates its own wireless network to my phone the files I want to edit. So that's fairly easy, fairly straightforward. Then I use a little software program called KineMaster. KineMaster is excellent. I first saw it advertised on Caleb S's channel. And if you don't pay the annual subscription or monthly subscription charge, you get KineMaster rotating in the top corner, which I find quite distracting, but was a good advert to show me the software. So I trialled it for a couple of weeks and was very impressed. So I paid the £24 annual fee to use it, which I think is very, very good. Now it's phone software, so I didn't expect a lot. I'm used to making videos in the past on my Mac using Final Cut Pro and things like that, which I find very, very heavy. They're slow on my Mac. They produce huge files. This software KineMaster is very, very good. There's a limit. I haven't worked out how to put video in video or anything like that on it, but the features are all that I need, and at the end you can then export in various formats from 1080 HD, 720 HD or 360, which is what I will do for this vlog. Where I'm out and about, I do it in the 720 HD. Very, very simple. That will create a file size anywhere between 35 and 400 megabytes, depending on obviously the length of the video. This will probably be 50-60 megabytes, and then I will upload that using either Wi-Fi, if I can get onto a Wi-Fi site somewhere such as a cafe or wherever, but more importantly I use giffgaff for my mobile SIM contract. Now it's gone back to £20 a month. As of Monday the next payment will come out. giffgaff, £20 a month, gives you unlimited data, and you can end it at any time and change to different things. You're not tied in. I find that absolutely brilliant for when you're on the road. I did get a warning at the beginning of last month for going over their unlimited allowance, but we all know that happens. But in the second half of last month I just made sure I use Wi-Fi a lot more, free Wi-Fi and things like that, for uploading the bigger videos. This video today will be uploaded, and I use the YouTube app on my phone to upload, and you can either set that to upload over data on your phone and Wi-Fi, or just Wi-Fi only, so you can choose which way you want it to upload. And while my phone's in my pocket, when I'm just walking around places, the video's uploading in the background every time it gets a good enough signal, and that's how I do it. I then go into the browser app and perhaps change the thumbnail of the video, monetize the video, so you have to click after 4 seconds of watching an ad if you don't want to watch the rest of the ad. And then I don't schedule it, because you can't schedule when it's uploaded from the phone, only from the desktop PC. So the days I want the video to go active, and I've always got 2 or 3 videos stored, I just go into the YouTube Creator Studio app, edit the video and click it as public. Unfortunately, I really wish you could just schedule them so I don't have to worry about doing it each day, but there's no way of doing that once you've already uploaded from your phone. If there is a way, please let me know. Anyway, so the 2 questions were, how do I get the internet? It's unlimited data on giffgaff. And what software do I use? I do everything on my phone. It's an Android phone, and I use KineMaster software, which is nice, simple, easy to go solution for when you're in the van on the road. So I hope that explains a few things. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.